Hello students, in this video we'll be solving a sample paper of class 9 ICSE. So this paper is designed for the upcoming final exams of class 9. So this video will be in different parts. In the first part we'll solve question number 1A, 1B and 1C. Right? So we have the first question here, 1A. It says the compound interest on a certain sum of money at 5% per annum for 2 years is rupees 287. Find the sum. This means we have to find the principal for which at 5% per annum for 2 years the CI is 287. So we know the formula of compound interest. It is principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n minus 1. This is the formula of compound interest. The compound interest is already given here. It is 287. We need to find out the principal. The rate is also mentioned is 5 by 100. Time is 2 years minus 1. We simply have to solve it by putting all the values in the formula. Next, it will be 105 by 100 to the power 2 minus 1. We can cancel this by 5. It will be 21 by 20. Alright. So it will be 287 is equal to principal into 21 by 20 whole square minus 1. 287. We know that the square of 21 is 441 and the square of 20 is 400 minus 1. Again we take the LCM as 400. So this will be 441 minus 400 divided by 400. So this will be P into 41 over 400. So the value of P will be 287 into this 400 will get multiplied over here and this 41 will get divided over here, P. So 287 goes by 41 7 times. 41 into 7 is 287. Cancel it out. The principal is 7 into 400, which is 2800. So the answer to this question is 2800. Here we have our next question. It is based on the topic surds and indices. Now before solving this, I would like to tell you a few rules about surds and indices that we call the laws of indices. So for example, 3 to the power minus 1 is written as 1 by 3 to the power 1, that is 1 by 3. Alright. 3 to the power n plus 1, this simply means 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 1. Alright. Suppose it's written 27 to the power n plus 1. 27 we can write as 3 to the power 3. And 27 to the power n plus 1 means 3 to the power 3, that is 27, to the power n plus 1. Now this will mean 3 to the power 3 into n plus 1. When a power is on the power, both the powers get multiplied. So it will be 3 to the power 3n plus 3. So these are the few examples that we'll be using while solving this question. Now let me erase this and we'll start off with the question. So the first step would be 3 into this 27 will write as 3 cube, then to the power n plus 1, plus this 9 will be written as 3 square, and then 3 to the power 3n minus 1 means 3 to the power 3n into 1 by 3 to the power 1. Alright. Or we could write it as into 3 to the power minus 1. Alright. So 8 can be written as 2 cube into 3 to the power 3n as it is minus 5 into this 27 will be written as 3 cube to the power n. Alright, next step will be 3 into 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power 1. Alright, that will be 3 into 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power 3, because this would be 3 into 3n to the power 3. Alright, plus 3 square into 3n, and 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 3. Alright, so this will be 2 cube into 3 to the power 3n minus 5 into 3 to the power 3n. Now this square will get cancelled by this 3. Alright, so the next step will be we'll take out 3n common from both the numerator and denominator. 3n is taken common. From here we have 3 into 3 cube plus, from here we have 3 into 1, that is 3. From the denominator, if we take out 3n common, we have 2 cube minus 5. So 3n gets cancelled from both the numerator and denominator. Here we have 3 into 27, that is 81, plus 3 divided by 2 cube minus 5. 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3. So that will be 84 by 3. That will be 28. Alright. So the answer to this question is 28. So the next question that we have here is based on trigonometry. This question is of 4 marks. The number in the bracket here denotes the marks. Alright. So in order to solve this question, I would like to tell you a few rules or a few formulae that we'll be using for solving this question. For example, tan of 90 degrees minus theta is cot theta. Cosec of 90 degrees minus theta is sec theta. Alright. And cos of 90 degrees minus theta is sin theta. Now we'll see which of the following will be used to solve this question. Alright, you can copy this so that I can erase and we'll start solving the question. Alright, now first step, cos 37 degrees we'll write as it is. Now cosec 53 degrees can be written as 90 minus 37. 53 can be written as 90 minus 37, right? Now tan 5 will be written as tan 5. Tan 25 will be written as it is into tan 45. Now the thing that we have to notice is that tan of 65 degrees can be written as 90 minus 25. Alright, and tan of 85 degrees can be written as 90 minus 5 degrees. Alright, why we are doing this? Because we know that tan theta into cot theta is 1. Alright, and cos theta is 1 by sec theta. Alright, so cos theta into cos theta into sec theta is also 1. Alright, now these are a few more different identities that we'll be using. Second step, cos 37 degrees into cosec 90 minus 37 can be written as sec 37 using this identity divided by, now tan of 5 degrees multiplied by tan of 25 degrees multiplied by tan 45 degrees. Now tan of 90 minus 25, can be written as cot 25. cot 25. And tan of 90 minus 5 can be written as cot 5. Now, in the next step, cos 37 into sec 37 will give us 1. Why? Because cos into sec is 1. Now, we multiply tan 5 into cot 5. This tan 5 and cot 5, these two will give us 1. Tan 25 and cot 45 will give us 1. And we know that tan 45 is already 1. So the answer to this question will be 1 by 1, that is 1. So I hope you've understood. If you like the video, please share. And if you've got any doubts, please you can mention your doubt in the comment section, so that in the next video we'll try to solve your doubts as well. Thank you so much.